Hi, I'm Ken Alger from Abaca Archive. We specialize in the technical governance of rare assets. In the rare book market, a single capital letter can be a $150,000 mistake. Most collectors aren't forensic experts, but their Notion workspace should be. I've built the Rare Book Intelligence, powered by Notion, to turn ordinary databases into a forensic lab that protects dealers from five-figure errors. So here in my Notion catalog, I have a few example books. Let's look at this 1925 first edition of The Great Gatsby. I've noted a tiny variant, a capital J in J Gatsby, on the back of the dust jacket. So if we go over here to our AI agent, in this case, Claude Desktop, we have the Rare Book Expert tool installed, and we're going to ask it to perform a full audit and provide some details. So we put in our prompt here. So we're asking it for a formal forensic audit, and following a laid out protocol, we'll have it run it. So now we want to watch as the AI agent uses the MCP server to search multiple databases at once. My private bibliography for archival ground truth, and Sotheby's auction data for market impact. So we see here within Claude and our UI that we have completed all the steps. We have the market analysis, the forensic collation, all the things that we need. And we have an exhibit label that we can use and an appraisal here. So that single letter proves that this is a second state dust jacket, dropping the market value from six figures to just a fraction of that. But the Rare Book Intelligence MCP doesn't just deliver the bad news. It calls the Update Status tool to automatically flag the book in my inventory and uses the Create Audit Log tool to generate a permanent record. So let's go back and look at what's happening over in Notion. So back in Notion, the status has flipped to flagged automatically in our books catalog database. And the MCP server has already created a forensic audit log, giving us a permanent relational link between our inventory and the forensic report. Because the audit was written automatically, every valuation change now has a permanent forensic trail. While we demonstrated this with rare books, the same framework applies across the entire collectibles market, from T206 Honus Wagner baseball cards to vintage Hot Wheels to misprinted postage stamps. By connecting archival knowledge with autonomous AI actions, Notion becomes more than a workspace. It becomes a forensic intelligence system for high-value assets. This is Rare Book Intelligence, powered by Notion and the Model Context Protocol. Visit us at www.abaquaarchive.com to see how we're scaling this MCP concept. Thanks for watching.